Today we're going to make our penguin on the iPad. I'm going to start by zooming out my paper by pinching my fingers together just a little bit. That looks good. Now the tool that we're going to use is the paintbrush. Tap on it at the bottom of the list. Then I'm going to tap on the two gears, and these are my settings. And here I can make the size bigger. So I'm going to slide the bar all the way across to make it bigger. Now I'm going to choose a blue color. To choose a color, remember you have to move both dots. I'm going to choose a blue from the outside row, and then I'm going to choose a dark blue to paint with across the top of my paper. We're going to do a dark blue, a medium blue, a light blue, and then a gray. Once you choose the blue, do not switch colors. Now I'm going to get a medium blue from somewhere in the middle, and I'm going to paint the middle section. Now I'm going to get a light blue. The light blue is going to go towards the bottom of my paper, but not all the way to the bottom. I'm going to leave a little bit of space for some gray. So I'm going to get gray from the center, and that looks good. Paint it all the way up so it touches together. Now I'm going to go back into my color palette, and I'm going to find black. And I'm going to go over to my settings for my size and make it about 50%, somewhere in the middle. Now I'm going to draw an oval, and I'm going to color it in. Then I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm going to color it in. Next, I'm going to draw two ovals coming off the side for the penguin's flippers. So there's the body, the head, and the flippers. And now, oh, you know what? I got extra space. I want to make him a little bit bigger. So let's make his arms a little longer and his body a little bit bigger. That looks good. So now I'm going to switch colors, and I'm going to get white, go all the way over to the other side, and I'm going to get white paint for the belly. Now I'm going to put two fingers on my screen and zoom in so I can get closer to the head. And I'm going to draw two circles that are white for the eyes. Then I'm going to make the size a little bit smaller so I can add more details. Once you have made the size smaller, I'm now going to get blue for the center of the eyeball. I'm going to put a little bit of blue paint inside the penguin's eyes. And now I'm going to get some black and put a little black dot inside of there as well. Now I'm going to switch to orange. Orange is all the way at the bottom of the spectrum, so click on orange over on the left hand side. Now make sure you move both dots. If it's not turning out orange, you need to click the other dot as well. I'm going to paint the beak and then zoom out, and then I'm going to go down and paint the feet. My penguin needs some feet, so let's give him some feet. Okay, so let's paint one leg and two legs. Uh-oh, that second leg does not look as good as the first one. I can fix it by tapping the arrow at the bottom. This is called undo. It will erase whatever it is that you make without having to use the eraser. Let's see, so that's another foot. Let's add some more details to my picture. So I'm going to add some snow. I'm going to get some white paint from over here on the side, and I'm going to tap my finger just one time on the screen to make a dot so it looks like it's snowing. You can add other things to your picture. You could add a hat. Maybe your penguin is holding something. Be creative with it. Come up with something interesting, and when you're all done, turn your artwork in.